Have you ever found yourself at the airport frantically searching through your bag for your passport while the boarding announcement echoes overhead? Or maybe you've arrived at your dream destination only to realize you packed completely wrong for the weather. Trust me, we've all been there. Travel should be about creating amazing memories, not dealing with preventable headaches. I'm here today to share 20 travel hacks that will completely transform how you explore the world. These aren't just basic tips you can find anywhere online. These are game-changing strategies I've learned through years of traveling to over 40 countries, making every mistake you can imagine and figuring out what actually works. Before we dive into these life-changing hacks, let me tell you why this matters. The difference between a good trip and an absolutely incredible one often comes down to the small details. When you're prepared with the right knowledge, you spend less time worrying about logistics and more time soaking in those magical moments. Whether you're planning your first international adventure or you're a seasoned traveler looking to up your game, today's tips will save you time, money, and stress. Let's start with preparation hacks that begin before you even leave your house. Number 1 is creating a digital travel folder on your phone. Screenshot everything important: your boarding passes, hotel confirmations, travel insurance documents, and even maps of your destination. Store them in a dedicated album that you can access offline. This simple step has saved me countless times when Wi-Fi was spotty or my phone was running low on battery. Number 2 involves your packing strategy, and this one might surprise you. Instead of rolling or folding your clothes, try the compression cube method combined with the 1-week rule. Pack for exactly 1 week regardless of how long your trip is. You can always do laundry, and this approach forces you to bring only your favorite, most versatile pieces. Use compression cubes to organize everything by category: all tops in one cube, bottoms in another. This system makes unpacking a breeze and helps you find exactly what you need without destroying your entire suitcase. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about the power of the Tuesday flight search. Airlines typically release their weekly sales on Tuesday afternoons, and prices often drop as competitors match deals. But here's the advanced tip. Search for flights in incognito mode and clear your cookies between searches. Airlines track your search history and can actually increase prices if they see you repeatedly looking at the same routes. Number 4 is about maximizing your carry-on space. Wear your heaviest items on the plane rather than packing them. That bulky jacket, your boots, and even multiple layers can save precious luggage space and weight. I've seen travelers wear up to 7 layers just to avoid overweight baggage fees. And while that might be extreme, the principle works. For hack number 5, we're focusing on airport navigation. Download your departure airport's map before you travel and identify exactly where your gate area is located. Many airports have multiple security checkpoints, and choosing the right one can save you significant walking time. Also, check if your airport offers mobile food ordering. You can have your meal ready for pickup without waiting in long lines. Number 6 revolutionizes how you handle jet lag. Instead of trying to stay awake or forcing yourself to sleep, gradually shift your eating schedule 3 days before travel. Eat meals according to your destination's time zone while still at home. This biological hack helps reset your internal clock more effectively than adjusting sleep patterns alone. Now for number 7, which addresses one of travel's biggest frustrations: slow hotel Wi-Fi. Pack a travel router or use your phone's hotspot feature. But here's the secret most people don't know. Position yourself as close as possible to the hotel's main router, usually located near the front desk or lobby area. If you're staying multiple nights, consider requesting a room change to a lower floor closer to the main internet infrastructure. Hack number 8 focuses on money management while traveling. Instead of relying solely on credit cards or carrying large amounts of cash, use the 3-source rule. Have one primary credit card for major purchases, a backup card from a different bank, and some local currency obtained from ATMs after arrival. Notify your banks about travel dates and keep emergency cash hidden in 2 separate locations. Number 9 is about food safety and enjoyment. Research local food markets and street vendors online before arriving, but look for places where locals actually eat, not tourist-focused establishments. Watch for long lines of local customers. That's usually a sign of both quality and safety. Also, pack a small bottle of hand sanitizer and use it religiously before eating. For hack number 10, let's discuss transportation efficiency. Download offline maps before arriving at your destination, but also screenshot important addresses in the local language. Taxi drivers and rideshare apps sometimes have trouble with English addresses, and having the destination written in local script eliminates confusion. Number 11 addresses the common problem of phone battery drain while traveling. Invest in a high-capacity portable charger, but more importantly, adjust your phone settings for travel mode. Turn off background app refresh, reduce screen brightness, and switch to airplane mode when you don't need connectivity. These simple adjustments can double your battery life during long travel days. Moving to hack number 12, which deals with accommodation strategies. When booking hotels, call directly after finding the best online price. Hotels often have unpublished rates or can offer room upgrades, especially if you mention you're celebrating something special. Even a made-up anniversary can result in complimentary upgrades or amenities. Number 13 focuses on packing essentials that most people forget. Bring an empty water bottle through security, then fill it before boarding. Airplane cabin air is incredibly dry, and staying hydrated is crucial for feeling good during and after flights. Also, pack a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you might need. For hack number 14, we're talking about cultural preparation. Learn basic phrases in the local language. Hello, thank you, excuse me, and where is the bathroom? Download a translation app that works offline. But having these basic phrases memorized shows respect and often results in friendlier interactions with locals. Number 15 addresses luggage security without being paranoid. Use TSA-approved locks, but more importantly, make your luggage easily identifiable. Add colorful ribbon, stickers, or other distinctive markings. This prevents accidental pickup by other travelers and makes your bag easier to spot on busy carousels. Hack number 16 revolutionizes your approach to travel insurance. Don't just buy the cheapest option. Read what's actually covered. Look for policies that include missed connection coverage, baggage delay protection, and medical evacuation if you're traveling internationally. The small difference in premium cost can save thousands if something goes wrong. For number 17, let's optimize your flight experience. Check in exactly 24 hours before departure and choose your seat strategically. If you're flying for leisure, window seats provide better sleeping opportunities. For business travelers who need to move around frequently, aisle seats are essential. Also, download your airline's app and enable push notifications for real-time updates. Number 18 focuses on documentation backup. Email yourself copies of important documents, but also leave copies with a trusted friend or family member at home. Include your itinerary, emergency contacts, and copies of credit cards. If everything gets stolen, you'll still have access to crucial information. Moving to hack number 19, which addresses jet lag recovery. Upon arrival, immediately get sunlight exposure and eat a meal appropriate to local time. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. local time and try to stay awake until a normal bedtime. Light therapy is incredibly powerful for resetting your biological clock. Finally, hack number 20 is about maintaining flexibility while staying organized. Always have a backup plan for your most important activities. If outdoor attractions are weather dependent, research indoor alternatives. Keep a list of restaurants, museums, and activities that don't require advance booking for spontaneous exploration. These 20 hacks represent years of trial and error, missed flights, lost luggage, and eventually figuring out what actually works in real-world travel situations. The key is implementing them gradually rather than trying to change everything at once. Start with 3 or 4 hacks for your next trip, then add more as they become natural habits. Remember, the goal of smart travel isn't to eliminate all surprises or challenges. Those unexpected moments often become our best stories. Instead, these strategies free up mental energy and reduce stress so you can fully embrace the adventure ahead. Whether you're backpacking across Europe, exploring Asian markets, or discovering hidden gems in your own country, being prepared amplifies every positive experience. What's your biggest travel challenge? And which of these hacks do you think will make the most difference for your next adventure? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical travel content that actually works in the real world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!